Hello and welcome to Rockstar Manager. I'm Dr. K, the management professor, and this episode is about pricing and why it's so important. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below and also hit the notifications button so you'll see each time I post a new video. Now let's get started. You can have an awesome product, but if you don't set the right price, it won't be successful. As you learned in your econ class, when more people want that hot item, demand increases and so does the price. On the flip side, if not many people are attracted to the product, the price is likely to go down or it will go on sale. If the manufacturing of the product is high, meaning the supply for the product is high, it won't be as exclusive. If manufacturing for the product is low and it's difficult to obtain, the price is likely to increase. Ultimately, when your supply curve and your demand curve meet, that interception is the price point. There are a few things to consider when determining your price. First is profit. You need to bring in more money on this product than you spend on it to be profitable. How many units do you expect to sell and how long will it take you? Your break even is when you know what your expenses are and you must hit that unit number at a given price point so you don't take a loss on the product. After you hit your break-even number, the revenue after that is all profit. Unless, of course, you continue to spend money on it. You know, things like advertising after a certain point in time and so forth. In general, you want to price as high as you can without losing your customers. You want to find out what your customers are willing to pay, then price right below that sensitivity point. Oftentimes, organizations will price high to create demand or particular appeal. Lastly, if demand is high and there is a demonstrated value in terms of quality, you should price on the higher end. If you want to demonstrate good value, price on the lower end. In a nutshell, you can have variable pricing strategies, low, medium, and high, and a variety of strategies with those three categories. Usually, the high end is defined by what the customer is willing to pay, and the low end is defined by what the company needs to break even, coupled with the market share that they can obtain. Hopefully, you have a better understanding of pricing in the marketplace. If you're interested in learning more about related topics, you could find Cengage's Marketing Management 5th edition, or find my books, Rockstar Manager from Theory to Practice, Mindset, a research-based approach to understanding motivation, or my latest book, Be Your Best You, the ultimate research-based guide to outstanding leadership. They can be purchased on Amazon and at most major retailers. Thank you for your time. Be your best you and be a rockstar manager.